Hey, welcome to this video of the Stop Anxiety Solution series, where I bring you a quick, simple solution to help reduce your anxiety within a minute or two, and things you can apply right now, absolutely for free. And today's tip of the day, or tip of the week, or tip of the whatever you want to call it, part of the series here is basically noticing that, hey, you're exercising, you're sleeping right, you're doing all these different things, you're taking supplements, you're doing whatever, and for some reason, you still experience anxiety. Now, this is a problem that I was facing previously that I had no idea was such an easy solution. And it's also an easy solution for so many other people. And that's simply to do this. Eat every 1.5 to 3 hours. Now, I don't mean eat junk food. I don't mean eat popcorn. I mean eat something that's a small little snack in between your meals. And the reason I'm telling you to do that, and I didn't realize how big of an effect it had for me personally and a lot of other people that I've talked to, is it basically helps stabilize your blood sugar. All right, if you have a big meal and then you don't eat for a while, then you have a big meal, then you have a bunch of you do all these things to make your blood sugar go up and down. Well, every time you go way too far up and every time you go way too far down, outside, away from that middle zone, okay, you go this high, you're susceptible to anxiety. You're susceptible to anxiety. You're susceptible as soon as it goes way too high and down. So when we're eating every 1.5 to 3 hours, it kind of keeps our blood sugar around here, right? A little bit more flowy and in the right optimal range. And when we do that, we reduce our chances of experiencing anxiety, and that's why I wanted to make this video today. Keep your blood sugar stable. I hope you guys found that helpful. Eat every 1.5 to 3 hours, healthy of course, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.